Dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Danko. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the MTN 8 semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Stellenbosch 1. I'm joined by Tape. Look.
Yeah, Steve. What a difficult game again. Mara, I will start by giving Stellenbosch credit, you know.
Yeah.
They played very well. They were very organized. They played 4-3-3 formation, depending on the speed of Titus and Mojela. And, you know, they made things very complicated for us. Yeah, but we will bounce back. Whatever, regardless. No maganjan, we will bounce back. Yeah, so they might be laughing now, ne? Mara, I will be the last person who will be laughing.
Yes.
Yeah, so in high octane football, in high breed football, I believe, and then they will get the combinations very right, and then we will be back. So when it comes to our team, the starting lineup surprised me. To be honest, I don't want to lie. Seeing Tambazwan on the bench, not seeing Mayema on the bench, not seeing Mabena on the bench, you know. So I was surprised, you know. And then also, what surprised me the most, get the warm win. I don't want to lie. I love the boy. He knows that I love him very much.
Yes.
Yeah, but today, unfortunately, he was off form.
Poor.
Not poor. He was just off form. Marane, he will pick up. I know. He's the beast. He's our engine. And then once in Atoma, he's going to do the job for us. So, I'm sure Otoba Afutumates, and then he will combine with the whole team. He will supply the team, and then he will create those forward passes for like a record. Okacheka, the forward passes today, they were not enough. Even though we had some few chances, enough, but like the forward passes, nice it's a pair. So Asoro Shasha was useless over the other strikers. It's just that they didn't get enough supply go Pele, and then we were only depending on Mudiba or our supply. Unfortunately, it was too much for Mudiba. So I think Mudiba can well back to left back. Mara, once I will back to left back, we must cover for him. Yes. And then the Lutla was sharp. And then Lebusa go training, couple for we improve his speed, Boswaga. Why it yeah, so improve his speed, fella. And then Masheho decision making. Fela, only decision making fela, and then I know Ramonat, and then we are going to the final. We are going to beat Abongile Tom FC.
Are you happy with Mangoba Mngeti?
Yeah, I won't blame him too much. Because of America, I go for tactics, go for the player distractions. Yes. And then Loba Gaida, Mokene Araba Gaida, Mangoba cannot do everything. I got in camera filthy Adala. So when if like go feel it the woman going instruction and then the woman going with the opposite, that thing surprises me a lot. Yeah. And how Pape Sipombule Kenyago Mona Awili or yeah, because of Gemon training, I know for Roshap. And then Lena Temkosi Lodge. Ramon Misanyana because of Okacheka Kamkone Stellenbosch, they were so structured. Nabarile low block when then Naunyaga Mutone Araba Sechang. Yes. That is why Tambazon was our hotel Ratomo pick up and then Ratomo go Pela. Yes. Yo, Nabatala low block and then Barakachaka the counter. But yes, today, yes, yes, bon, listen, they were very compact. Listen to me, hey guys, what is They were playing low block and then about Kachakadi transition. Marane Marane, what Stellenbosch did best score today. Navasalusi ball, wabon. Navatsora polo mobona and then by protect. It was for the very first time Gabara Sundown to it's a sort polo for more than 10 minutes. Yeah, yeah, because of Sundown. Yeah, Sundown from Kalekal. One to polo na right swara na polo. Whether we play good, whether we play bad, polo ne right swara morin. So when they were very careless ka polo, and then you know they must improve that to return. It's like we must just go back to the drawing board. Mara, I still repeat. Kapo Kiarina. Kapo win guys, ne? And then Masanda wanna please, ne guys. Let's go more. If you like a team by leader, Opelang it's saying, and then guys, Reba to say Reba energy, and then those boys they will bounce back. One Toramus. Kapo Kiarina. M108 Kiarina. Barata Abarati. Kapo Kiarina. Amogila Tom FC.
So it happens
we will be 57 million supporters.
Oh!